Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make this Halloween wreath out of things you can get at the dollar store. First, you're going to need a metal wreath frame, some black and purple roses, and some sparkly black branches. You're also going to need some of this black knitted tulle. First up, you want to pull all the roses off of their stems. Since these roses are specially for Halloween, they also came with these bat-shaped leaves and these spooky branch pieces. The black roses came with sparkly white skulls. For the first step, you want to take the black knitted tulle and hot glue it to the frame of the wreath. Next, you want to start wrapping it around the frame. When you're done, secure it with hot glue. Now that your frame is done, you can start hot gluing the flowers onto it. Because I had more purple than black flowers, I purposely chose a pattern that would use more of the purple flowers up. However, if you have a certain amount of flowers that you want to use, you're more than welcome to choose whatever pattern you want. Because I will be adding a bow onto the top left corner, I'm purposely not putting any flowers there so that way I'll have a place to attach it. Now that we're done adding the flowers, it's time to make the bow. Now, I'm not sure if this is the clearest way to make the bow, but I did take a pipe cleaner and took some of the black knitted tulle and kind of just slowly wrapped it around into a semi-disformed bow shape. I didn't need it to look that pretty because this is a Halloween wreath. However, if you want to make the bow look nicer, I suggest finding a video tutorial for making wreath bows. Next up, you want to attach the first layer of your bow onto your wreath with some hot glue. Then I took some of the glittery black branches and hot glued them in between the layers of my bow. So for some reason, I didn't record the next step of adding more of the branches onto the other side and finishing the top of the bow. For the top of the bow, I just did the exact same thing with the bottom portion, I just made it a bit smaller. Now I'm going to take all the different individual pieces that came with the roses and put them all over the wreath. Make sure that they're all nicely hot glued onto the wreath, and you're done. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos.